Hey guys, and welcome to another video on random reviews. Today I have for you a vintage typewriter. I think it's from the 80's. It's a Sears. If I can focus here, it's a Sears. It's called the Communicator, and it says with correction there. And it's an electric typewriter. It only cost me $4. I bought it at a thrift store that didn't really care much for it. I got a good deal, I guess. And so let's get to it. So first off, around your keyboard area, you can see it has the on and off switch, your ribbon color changer switch or whatever. I think something like that. And this is the set and the clear button or switch, and you got your normal keyboard set up right there. And here's the power cord. Plug it in right there. And just like any other normal keyboard or normal typewriter, it's going to do that. There we go. Alright, so straighten it out. Anyway, on the side here, you have your little scroller that you scroll the papers up and down with. You see that's going up and down. And this thing right here pops up so you can put your paper, you slide your paper in right there. Slide your paper in, and there you go. You got your paper, and then you type and stuff. Alright, next up, this thing comes off. That's what it looks like. Take it off. And that's what it looks like inside. Nothing too exciting. Just what a typewriter looks like. And put it back on, I guess. And you put it on by sliding these two things in, and you just pop it down, and yep, it's on. So put this back down, and yeah, it's pretty nice for $4, I thought. There you go. There's a top view. And there's a side view. The other one's basically the same. So yeah, here's the case for it. You know, you can open it right here. But hang on, let me just show you around it. There's the front. There's the side. And there's the back. Just nothing too special, just a case. Just open it up. And there's where you set that's how you set it up. That's where you set the typewriter. Power cord goes right there. You got some simple instructions or whatever that is. And yeah, that's pretty much the case. And I guess that's basically it for the typewriter. Leave in the comments below if I was forgetting anything. But I think that's pretty much it. So if you guys liked this video or enjoyed it, please leave a like or a comment. Or if you really enjoyed it, you could subscribe. That would really help me out. So I'll see you in the next video.